Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out if your computer monitor supports AMD FreeSync or Nvidia GSync. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, before proceeding, what you need to do is you need to find out your monitor model number. So you can check your monitor package to know about your monitor model number, or you can go to the website of your respective monitor brand and you can check your respective monitor model number. Or there is one more way, just right click your mouse on the desktop screen and you can see your graphics properties. Just click on it, and now you can see here in the display. Just click on it. Under the display you can select select display. So my model number is 24CL1Y. so I'm using a AOpen computer monitor, so the model number of my monitor is 24CL1Y. so in my monitor there is a AMD FreeSync support, but how you can confirm it? So for this, what you can do is just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for AMD FreeSync monitors. Now once you search this, you will see one website from the official AMD website, right? FreeSync monitors. Just click on it. Now here it will display all the AMD FreeSync monitors. So let us check out my model number. So I'll just type 24C. So let me check back my model number. So you can see here my model number 24CL1Y. so let me type it completely. So you can see here my monitor model number. So you can see our manufacturer is AOpen and I'm using a 24-inch size monitor, and the LCD type is IPS. Now you can see here the range, that is the refresh rate. It supports maximum up to 75 Hz refresh rate through HDMI. So you can see more details about this monitor, and now you can see I have a FreeSync support. So you can see here when you click on all, so it will display a FreeSync support. So it's definitely true that my monitor is AMD FreeSync supported monitor. So finally I have confirmed my AMD FreeSync support of my respective monitors. So if you're using a Nvidia GSync in your respective monitor, then how you can confirm it? So if your monitor supports Nvidia GSync and you want to confirm it whether it really supports Nvidia GSync or not, so for this, once again open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for the Nvidia GSync monitors, and once you search this you will see the Nvidia official website. So on the second list you can see directly GeForce GSync monitors. Just click on it. Now here it will display all the GSync, that is the Nvidia GSync supported monitors. So you can see all the monitors and the respective brands. So you can see here from the brand Asus, Dell, Lenovo, LG, MSI, different brands and their respective model numbers. As you can see here, different model numbers. This all monitor that is being listed on this list supports the Nvidia GeForce Sync. So you can see here GSync monitors. So you can see here, so if you know your respective monitor model number, then you can directly find out, and you can search easily by knowing your respective monitor manufacturing brands also. So you can directly search and you can confirm your monitor support Nvidia's GSync or not. So using these cool methods you can easily find out if your computer monitor supports AMD FreeSync or Nvidia GSync. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.